Let's learn the names of baby animals and tiny creatures. Puppies,
Puppies.
kittens,
Kittens.
chick,
Chick.
ducklings,
Ducklings.
goslings,
Goslings.
piglets,
Piglets.
Bunnies,
Bunnies.
calf,
Calf.
baby lamb,
Baby lamb.
sugar glider,
Sugar glider.
leopard gecko,
Leopard gecko.
hermit crab,
Hermit crab.
baby axolotl,
Baby axolotl.
baby hamsters,
Baby hamsters.
panda cubs,
Panda cubs.
tiny turtle,
Tiny turtle.
baby frogs,
Baby frogs. Baby hedgehog or hoglets.
baby turkeys,
Baby turkeys.
turkey chicks,
Turkey chicks.
chicks,
Chicks.